What's up, everybody? So, Shade Tree Surgeon did a video movie challenge where you take a movie that you like and the characters in the movie, you go off of the character's personality and decide what motorcycle they would ride. He had challenged a few people, one being Captain Granite, and Captain Granite challenged me. So finally I got beautiful weather, bit of a sunburn on my arms already, and it's time for me to make this video. It actually took me a while to figure out what movie I was going to do. I actually believe it's supposed to be a movie or television show, whichever you preferred. And I went with, so far the consensus all have gone with movies. I am going to go with the movie myself, and I'm going to go with The Princess Bride. The Princess Bride, you ask why? I don't give a fuck who you are. You've seen that movie, and you loved that movie. Don't fucking lie, because you're only lying to yourself. You're not lying to anybody else. So, that's who I'm going with. Princess Bride. We're just going to jump right into it. I've got all this shit in my head and I don't want to forget it. So anyways, we're going to start with Wesley. One of the biggest main characters, right? Alright, so we're going to start with Wesley. And I'm going to put Wesley on the Arc 1. What's the Arc 1, everybody asks? Well, some people already know. It's the Keanu Reeves bike. And I might be actually pronouncing it wrong. It might be pronounced Arch 1, but I'm pretty sure it's Arc 1. Anyways, that bike is pretty fucking amazing. It's beautiful. It's stealthy, but just fucking awesome. Kind of like Wesley was. Stealthy, awesome, ready to fuck up everybody's shit. So that's what I'm putting Wesley on. I don't know much details about the Arc 1. I did not look them up because I'm so unprepared for this. So my next one, we're gonna go with Pheasant, Andre the Giant's character. What bike could you put Andre the Giant on except for a Boss Hoss? I mean, that's it. You're going to have a big, giant, powerful bike for that big, giant, powerful man. So, you know, I don't know a lot about Boss Hosses. I know that a lot of people buy them and they, and they'll get like 800 horsepower out of some bitches. But, I mean, we just put him on an old 350, you know, the Boss Hoss with a 350 V8. Oh, something like 280 horsepower or something like that. That'll haul him around. The next one, Inigo Montoya, who killed my father, prepared to die. Inigo Montoya's character, father died when he was a young boy, and he spent his life mastering the arts of fencing, right? So the best bike for that would be the Indian Scout. Something that years ago went away, but actually came back in a big way. I see a lot of Indian Scouts. A lot of people love riding Indian Scouts. So, much like Inigo Montoya, he had to come back better to defeat his father's killer. Now, granted, Indian Scout really ain't defeating nobody's killer because they just went away and now they're back and they're doing greater. So, maybe so. Maybe society. The next one, Vazzini. The inconceivable dude. The genius. A pretentious dickhead. Much into himself. Thinks he's better than everybody else. There's so many different bikes you could put him on. because so many personalities are already that, you know. It's like, well, I ride Ducati 1200 or something, you know, a Corsa. I'm better than you. Well, he's a dickhead. But what really comes to mind in the first aspect is like something BMW, because most douchebags ride BMWs, and I'm not talking about like the S1000RR. I'm talking about the more road adventure bikes. I don't know much about BMWs. Like the 1200 something, 1200F or some shit like that. I don't remember what it's called. But no. Think about it. Anywhere you go, there's always this pretentious dickhead with a 1970s, where he should be riding a 1970s helmet, and he should be riding a shit. I can't even think what it's called now. God damn it. But anyways, I'm thinking 70s helmet, pretentious dickhead, thinks he knows everything about everything because, you know, obviously he's a genius. And anywhere you go, you run into these guys on these fucking 883 Sportsters, got them set up 70s style, 70s color, think they know everything about every single motorcycle ever made or in life general, and you just want to laugh at them. But you have to consider the source. So that's what I put him on. It was an 883 Sportster. Okay, so moving on, we have Prince Humperdinck. Narcissist, personality, I'm better than you. Also feels like he's smarter than anybody else in the world. More skills than anybody else. But on the inside, he's really just a little baby. So we're going to put him on a GSX 300R. Okay, so last, we have Princess Buttercup. And portrayed in the movie through the eyes of Wesley, she is the holy grail of women. You know, the most beautiful woman in the land, and even kind of portrayed that like that in the movie in general, because Prince Humperdinck sees that and he wants to use that to his advantage for his in-game plan by making a non-princess a princess. Anyway, so kind of the holy grail of women, kind of the thing that all people want, or all men want, or women. And it's like, man, you just fighting. What is the holy grail of bikes? And you can't, you know, you can ask people, what's the holy grail of bike? And they'll pick like a fucking GSX R1000. One guy will pick an H2. You know, one guy will pick a speed triple. It's like, damn, what the hell can you put her on? Captain Granite had to help me with this one because I could not think of anything. I was lost on this one. And this is what came up with. A Volkswagen motorcycle. And all of you are like, Volkswagen didn't motorcycle. True, they did not actually make the motorcycle. However, Von Dutch, the old famous pinstriper, painter, sculptor. I think you could still get Von Dutch shit today for women-y stuff. But Von Dutch back in the day was a very famous pinstriper. He was a very famous painter, motorcycle, and he was also a very famous sculptor. A lot of things I didn't know about Von Dutch until I started researching this. Well, he got this idea to build a motorcycle. It had a flat 34 horsepower Volkswagen engine on it. Had the drivetrain from World War II of some sort. I didn't get any details on that part. It had a Harley-Davidson XA frame, and it had lots of Moto Guzzi parts too on it. I believe actually the tank is actually Moto Guzzi on that bike too. I have not seen any pictures of the bike when it was in its new form, whenever he finished it, and what I imagine would have been great beauty of this bike. I've seen pictures of it now, because recently it was found. I'm not going to mention the show it was on, because I don't like the show, and I'm not going to promote that show. But it was on a television show. Some of you probably watched this show, and I've already seen this episode. But even now in its non-restored state, it's still a pretty damn good looking bike. And I would figure, well, that's fucking rare. There's, as far as I know, there's only one. So that's pretty fucking rare. And for most men out there to find the woman of their dreams, you know, it's pretty rare. And, you know, you guys could be watching this video sitting next to her right now and be like, ha, I found my woman of my dreams. There you go. Guess what? She's your Volkswagen motorcycle. How about that? And I just said that. Don't tell her I said that, though. Dude, even got a fucking helmet on. What an idiot. Anyways. And I say that because we don't have a no helmet law. You have to wear a helmet in this state. It's only a $75 ticket, so whatever, But anyways, that's my pick for the movies. Challenge. Yeah. So now I have to come up with 3 people to challenge. I forgot about that part. So I got to challenge 3 people. Who can I challenge? Who can I challenge? Somebody I haven't challenged, or maybe haven't challenged in a long time at something. Oh, you Canadian bastard. Prairie Boy 77. Yep. Challenged. Do it. If you haven't been challenged already, hopefully you haven't, you prick. So yeah, you've been challenged. Let's do Roadkingjonesy. I don't know if you watch much movies, bro, but you've been challenged, so figure it out. One more. 3 people. Oh shit. I know who. Somebody loves putting movie clips in all his videos. Bimble. That's right, Bimble. You have been challenged. So you will be doing this video. You twat. Okay, so that's it. That does it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys agree with me. You probably won't, but hopefully you do. Actually, it was kind of hard to come up with. But like always, please, if you like this video, please like it, because it does help out. If the more likes the video gets, the more it gets shared around, YouTube-wise. Please leave comments. I always read my comments. I always reply to all my comments. I don't always get to it quickly, but I always do. It might be a couple days. I don't always get notified of the comments. I have to actually go back and check and look for comments. Please share. Please share it. If you want to, share it with your friends and family. I just can't talk today. And as always, please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I would greatly appreciate that. Trying to do my best to make better content. But thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a great weekend, week, night, day, whatever the time it is you're watching this. So, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.